Okay, now I'm going to write a program, C program using pointer concept. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the pointers. That is, in the pointers, we are going to use the two operators. One is the ampersand, that is called as an address operator, and another operator is asterisk. In the pointer context, it is called as a indirection operator. So I'm going to demonstrate write a program. Example for asterisk. Example for usage of hash include std io.h hash include conio.h void main int x clr scr clear the screen x equal to 10 printf backslash n. The value of x is percentile d comma x printf backslash n. The address of x is percentile u comma we're going to go ampersand x ch point c. So here the value of x is 10 and the address of x is 6552, or you can directly you can use in a hexadecimal format. Address we are going to get as in FFF4. Okay, this is a normal. Directly we are going to print the x value address. We are going to print the x value as well as their address. Now here I'm going to declare one pointer variable ptr. What is a ptr? ptr is a pointer variable of type int. So here I'm going to give ptr equal to address of x. We are going to give the address of x. Now here printf \n, the address of ptr is, so ptr is also is a one variable. So for that variable, some memory is allocated. If you want to know their address, then I'm going to give the ptr value. Address I'm going to print. So we are going to print the ptr. So what is a ptr address? Triple F2. What is it address of X? Address of X is triple F4. Okay. Now here I'm going to indirectly I'm going to access the X value by using the pointer. Okay. Now I would like to know what is the content of PTR. What is the content of X? What is the value of X? X contains the some value 10 is there. Now what is the PTR contains? PTR also has some value is there. What is the value? That is the address of X. We are going to printf \n. We are going to print the value of PTR is I'm going to print the P contains the value. What is the P contains? P contains the address of X. Now we'll say PTR. What is a PTR value? PTR value and address of X are the same. So what is the address of X? Address of X is triple F4. And what is the value of PTR? Value of PTR also is a triple F4. So both have the same values. So X address is value of PTR. Now I'm going to indirectly we are going to access the X value. Printf \n, the value of X is %d, comma, asterisk PTR. Directly I'm not accessing the X value by the X. Indirectly I'm going to access the X value by using the pointer variable. So what is the X value? Now the X value is 10. The X value is 10. Now here I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to change the X value indirectly. Indirectly I'm going to change the X value. Here what is the X value now? X value now is 10. Indirectly I'm going to give asterisk PTR equal to ampersand ptr equal to, I'm going to give the some value 24. Now if you are going to print the values, now I'm going to print the values. Now here, after changing the x equal to 24, what is the value of x? A value of x is 24. This value is, I'm going to change indirectly by using the pointer concept. Asterisk ptr equal 24. Now the value will be changes. Only we are going to change the x value only. We are going to observe first line, the value of x is 10, the address of x is triple f4. After changing the x value 24 also, we are going to get the same addresses only. The addresses are not changes. Only we are going to change the x value by indirectly. That is by using the pointer. We are going to indirectly change the x value. Okay. Now I'm going to write the another program. Ash include stdio.h, ash include conio.h. I'm going to give the void main. Now here I'm going to declare the one integer pointer variable, and I'm going to declare the normal variable integer variable, and I'm going to declare the one character variable ch. CLRSR equal to x equal to 10, ch equal to, I'm going to give the a, ptr equal to, I'm going to give the address of ch, printf \n x equal to asterisk d comma x, printf \n ch equal to percentile c comma asterisk ptr get ch. So we are going to get an error message, suspicious pointer conversion. So here we are going to PTR is a integer pointer and CH as a character data type. That's we are going to get an error message. We are going to get the error message. Suppose if I am going to instead of ch, I'm going to give float. So once again we are going to get the same error message. Instead of the character, so if I'm going to give the x, so just where when the warning ch is assigned the value that is never used. So if I'm going to, instead of the pointer variable integer, I'm going to declare as a char pointer char asterisk ptr. So here once again we are going to get the error warning because x as integer and ptr is a character pointer. That's what we are going to. So I'm going to change the variable as ch. Now without any error message, we are going to get our program is executed. Now we are going to run the program. So what is x value? X value is 10. We are going to indirectly accessing the ch value change to the a. Okay, thank you.